You're my sweet boy. Give me kisses. What are you doing? Oliver, what are you doing? You're my sweet big boy. Want pretty kisses? What is that? What is she doing? Is she a baby girl? Say, come here, baby girl. What you doing? Yes. Oliver. Sophia. Babies. What's the problem? Sophia, what's the problem? What you doing?
For a couple of years, so what?
Very good. Very good. Sophia, what are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? Oliver, where are you? There you are. My boy? You want kisses? Are you happy? You mama's good boy? Mama's good boy?
What is that?
What is that?
What is that?
Is that a poo? You're silly. You're a silly boy. What are you doing? Doing, Sophia? What are you doing back there? You eating all that nutritious food?
Mama's pretty kisses.
Mama's pretty kisses? You're my sweet poo. Oliver, you're so cute. I love you, baby.
Are you happy?
No, do you?
You're such a good boy.
You're such a good boy. Can you look at the camera and say that?
That's a baby girl there.
Where's the baby girl? Is she on the cage? Do you want to go see Sophia? My sweet poo. You want kisses? Sure. Are you quite happy? This is my lettuce boat. Can you press it again? Here. Oliver? Wrong way. Oliver.